when I realize you've been shutting me out. I start to reach for the sky and nothing's falling down. Ooh, everybody knows how the story goes, but fairy tales have been lying to me. Every time I try, you just run and hide. Now I'm finally feeling free. Tell me, can you see me now, while I rise above the crowd? Who would've known I'd make it out your broken world? No, you thought you tore me down. I'm not giving up now, you know. So tell me, can you see me now, rising above, and nothing's stopping me now. And nothing's stopping me now. Nothing's stopping me. Now I know my fate and they won't fail me now. So thanks for showing me all that I am about. Ooh, everybody knows how the story goes, but fairy tales have been lying to me. Every time I try, you just run and hide. Now I'm finally feeling free. Tell me, can you see me now, while I rise above the crowd? Who would've known I'd make it out your broken world? No, you thought you tore me down. I'm not giving up now, you know. So tell me, can you see me now, rising above, and nothing's stopping me now. And nothing's stopping me now. So can you see me now? Can you see me now? Tell me, can you see me now, while I rise above the crowd? Who would've known I'd make it out your broken world? No, you thought you tore me down. I'm not giving up now, you know. So tell me, can you see me now, rising above, and nothing's stopping me now.
It's a goddamn shame. You been looking for change, but you never want a goddamn change. Stupid motherfucker, better stay in your goddamn lane. I make art, you make memes, bitch. We are not the same. We are not the same. I'm just saying, I got my foot on their neck. Till every one of them pay me respect. Pine designer and diamonds a flex. I called on my mom and I paid off a debt. Didn't do that just for likes on the net. Remember when we couldn't pay for the rent? Now that's for some guy who complains about his ex. Turn on all my old shit, they hear on the new shit you're gonna do next. One of your wit, I diss my own blood, so don't think I won't diss. They told me God gave me a gift. Now how many writers you got? I've been making a list. You shoot from the hip, I shoot for the sky. I'm shooting for being the greatest alive. They said they aren't ready for P15, but working on that, I can sleep when I die. I'd rather cut my ties before I waste my time. You don't think about the boy, then why you hitting my line? Stick around long enough and watch the lame switch sides. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm on my right. I tried to please them all, instead I lost my mind. You wanna see me fall, well bitch get in line. Doesn't mean you found gold, just because that shit shine. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm I'm on my rise. This year, right, is all I see. Just me, myself, and my team. You can rap over with type beats, but you can never be me. 3 rappers in your top 3. They no profit off all those streams. Cause some old guy up in an office owns an MP3. We need less sheep, we need more thought. Stuck staying indie cause I can't be bought. One on the charts when you said that I flopped. I look at my plaque and I smile a lot. The bottom is lonely and so is the top. Find you a girl with a plan and a plot. A fake or jump ship and they'll say I fell off. Then crawl back when they're feeling empty and lost. I'm thankful for every fan that I got. They got you a playlist to sweeten the pot. You spent your advance on a chain and a watch. I spend my own money on shit that I got. I keep it real, feel like the only one. The game's been off balance, all you rappers are Napoleon. I'd rather cut my ties before I waste my time. You don't think about the boy, then why you hitting my line? Stick around long enough and watch the lame switch sides. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm on my rise. I try to please them all, instead I lost my mind. You wanna see me fall, well bitch get in line. Doesn't mean you found gold, just because that shit shine. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm on my rise. You sing that shit like you wrote it. You sing that shit like you own it. You even know you won't last. You're only here for the moment. Just know the chamber is loaded. Give me a time and a motive. I got some friends in high places. You know your label, they own it. I treat my room like a cocoon, I should get out more. They wanted honest music, but instead they fucking found yours. It's sad you're only known for stupid shit that you get clout for. Never needed your help. You see, I did this shit without yours. Rather cut my ties before I waste my time. You don't think about the boy, then why you hitting my line? Stick around long enough and watch the lame switch sides. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm on my rise. I try to please them all, instead I lost my mind. You wanna see me fall, well bitch get in line. Doesn't mean you found gold, just because that shit shine. Just hit my stride, yeah, I'm on my rise. Nation. Let me be proud of this. Woo! Waking up today, giving thanks, hit a knee and pray. I go state to state, making plays for that paper plate. I must keep it pure and then secure whatever's meant for me. Throw me to the wolves and I survived it, now it's hell to pay. I can feel me rising up, pressure brought this diamond up. This like perfect timing, huh? They are way too fond of us. Blessings got them lining up, divining to my timing up. I'm climbing up, you won't see me folding up. You icy but ain't cold enough, feeling like the chosen one. Obstacles I overcome, they label me as troublesome. Rather see me down on my luck, but look, he powered up. Had to trust myself, if it ain't felt it, it ain't real enough. Church, nigga. Better be proud of this. Been a decade in the game, ain't do no sucker shit. I've been riding my own lane and I've been true to this. Out here coaching up my people like I'm Popovich. I'm popping shit, I'm rare. Women, they just stare. Say she wanna ride me like she saw me at the fair. You can make your move, but you gon' lose with them veneers. I just play it cool, cause I look through you like a mirror. Got it now, it's time to fly. No hiding out, we riding out. I bought them diamonds out. It's up a notch, I'm up a lot. I broke through every law, through every hood and every block. I pray they hear me now. You just be weary of them people who won't break it down. At early ages, they see greatness, they won't take the crown. I am not your enemy, I'm just gon' say it now. The biggest goal is what I'm on, and I stick to my vow. Look in the mirror every day and I feel hella proud. Feel me now, they gon' build you up and tear you down. But stand your ground, must be rooted to keep evil out. And people out, watch your tongue in who you speaking about. If your intentions don't align, then we gon' weave it out. Straight up. If your intentions don't align, then we gon' weave it out. Straight up. They be proud of this. Been a decade in the game, ain't do no sucker shit. I've been riding my own lane and I've been true to this. Out here coaching up my people like I'm Popovich. I'm popping shit up.
It's about discipline, it's about building the blocks, about relationships with your players. How do you get something out of somebody who's selfish or doesn't really compete the way you would like, or so on and so forth. All those things I think, have more to do with winning and losing than being able to draw a certain kind of play.
Dear God, where'd you go? You haven't been answering your phone. Not saying I'm mad, but the world is fucked up. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, I hate to say people don't believe in you these days. Not saying I don't, but the world is fucked up. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, we haven't talked in a while. I'm all grown up now, but still feel like a child. And I'm sorry that I only holler when I need a favor, but all my people really need a savior. Enough about me, what about you, dog? You beefing with science? And by the way, I got some bad pressure in my sinus. It may be a migraine, and maybe the climate change, but who am I to talk? I haven't recycled in 5 days. Dear God, we still celebrate Christmas, cause the novelty of holidays is really big business. You heard the prophecy of old Saint Nick. I heard this year he got misclassed some big fake hits. And the longer you go missing, the more the story's twisted, and people count the days to make their birthday wishes. And it's never gonna change. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, where'd you go? You haven't been answering your phone. Not saying I'm mad, but the world is fucked up. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, I hate to say people don't believe in you these days. Not saying I don't, but the world is fucked up. So you should come around more. Goddamn, people say that I'm insensitive and that I use your name in vain, and I should be more sensitive. But I bet they mean more secretive, to not expose the hypocrite in every walking piece of shit. And hiding is insulting your intelligence. That fake ass walking around in Sunday's best, when they know the world revolves around money and sex. The worst people are the first to forget. I bite my tongue but can't change how I think. I talk to you because I can't afford a shrink. It's the everyday people do the ugliest things, and it's never gonna change. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, where'd you go? You haven't been answering your phone. Not saying I'm mad, but the world is fucked up. So you should come around more. Oh dear God, I hate to say people don't believe in you these days. Not saying I don't, but the world is fucked up.